Okay, so let's do then one more paragraph. On Yom Tov, however, the heavy veil is lifted. Okay. Life is no longer seen as exercise in escape for reality, but as a golden opportunity to grow and unite with the infinite source of truth and kindness. So truth, of course, capital, and kindness also capital. On Yom Tov, man's image of God emerges. He is transformed from a speck of dust to the Creator's personal emissary. No longer Earth's slave, he is now its master. Ready is able to sublimate the physical and to make finite infinite. And we're going to explain. So I think for me, I'm talking about myself, it feels the most when we have Yom Tov on a weekday, right? So for you, it's Yom Tov. Like in the morning, you get up, you go into shul, and everybody's running around because for them it's a regular work day. It's like craziness, and you like in your house, it's nice. Everything is peaceful, smells with Yom Tov, with all of the beautiful Yom Tov food and stuff like that. You go outside, it's like, whoa, that's crazy. Like people live in different worlds. So you see, like you feel the difference. That's amazing. Okay, so one more time this piece. On Yom Tov, however, this heavy veil is lifted. Veil meaning all of the dangers of the world and all of the worry of the world, right? Life is no longer seen as an existence in escape from reality. Okay? But as a golden opportunity to grow and unite with infinite source of truth and kindness. So, and as our sages say, this world is Alma de Shikra, it's opposite of the truth, right? So this Yom Tov is our opportunity to unite with infinite source of truth and kindness, meaning Hashem. On Yom Tov, man's image of God emerges. So whatever it means. So of course, God does not have image, but person behaves differently on Yom Tov. How is that? He's transformed from a speck of dust to the Creator personal emissary. So meaning it's very interesting. He, meaning a person, transformed from a speck of dust, right, from which he was created, to the created personal emissary. So Hashem sent us as emissaries into this world to bring the light to the nations, to be a light to the nations. No longer Earth's slave, he is now the master, ready and able to sublimate the physical and to make finite infinite. That's just simply amazing. Continue. The two lavish holidays, holiday banquets that are required for every Yom Tov are proof of this mission. So, person does not matter what he does during the week, but or during the whole year. But on this on holidays, he's a king, right? He's an emissary, as the authors say, of Hashem in this world, right? So, and their obligation as an emissary, as a king, to eat at least twice a day, right? And not eat, but a banquet, meaning huge meals. So one more time, the two lavish holidays banquets that requisite for every Yom Tov are proof of this mission. So of course, on every before every banquet, you do a kiddush. Anyone who has ever participated in one of these feasts can testify that they are not, Chas v'shalom, recess, but rather joyous intensification of the day's sanctity. So it's not like other people that you get overeat, get drunk, and get into fight and speak Lashon Hara and fight, right? And all other bad things, right? So it's actually these banquets, this enjoyment of the food and the holiday for the Jews. It's like bringing Jew on the highest, the holiest level. Eating, okay, here we go. Eating makes us holier. So, but only on Yom Tov, right? Indeed, Yom Tov brings out the divine nature of every Jew. Careful adherence to Hashem's course is in Yom Tov self-restraint automatically, gives rise to one's additional soul. Thus magnified, the soul exalted joy transformed the body into a spiritual spaceship, able to transcend the limitations of time and space. So let's do this last piece and we stop. Very interesting. So one more time. So eating makes us holier. That's a statement. So how is it eating make us holier on Yom Tov, but not on different on Monday and Tuesday, regular days, right? Indeed, Yom Tov brings out the divine nature in every Jew. So Yom Tov, like as we said, these special frequencies in the air, and our calendar, as we said many times, it goes around. So it's exactly the same time, as exactly the same spirit in the world, in the air, as it was at the time of original holiday, right? Careful adherence to Hashem's course in Yom Tov self-restraint, right? Automatically, one more time, careful adherence to Hashem's course of Yom Tov self-restraint, so self-restraint in double quotes, automatically give rise to one's additional soul, right? So a person gets, like on Shabbos, on Yom Tov, person has a special soul, a divine soul. That's why it's easy to be more spiritual in Yom Tov and enjoy and eat more, right? You have to feed one extra soul. It's not like a soul needs any physical food, but that's what they say, and you can learn more Torah, right? Thus magnified, the soul exhausted joy transforms the body into the spiritual spaceship. It's very interesting, right? Spiritual spaceship, able to transcend the limitation of time and space. And knowing all of this, and maybe if you get this book and read it time and time again, so we should get on this level one day, hopefully sooner than later. Okay, so we can stop here. So the next topic is Yom Tov in the Beis HaMikdash.